By May 20, Uniswap is expected to dip 2.7% based on Gov Capital Collector data. Before we jump in, let's assess the latest chart data. Today, Uniswap has gone up 2.6% and is now sitting around $3.524. Let's move on to analyst forecasts. According to crypto predictions, tomorrow's price could hit $3.551. That's around 0.8% above today's level. Coin price forecast projects a move up to $3.53 for Uniswap, which implies a gain of 0.2%. According to Coin Data Flow, the value may retreat to $3.47, an estimated decrease of 1.5%. A separate projection from Gov Capital Collector highlights Uniswap may move lower to $3.429, an estimated decrease of 2.7%. Finally, digital coin price sees the value moving down to $3.352 by tomorrow, 4.9% under now. This is the top profit forecast. All 5 takes are in. Let's shift ahead. Based on everything the analysts shared, here's the summary. The forecast range now stands between a decline of 4.9% and a gain of 0.8%. So it turns out digital coin price will deliver the highest return with 4.9% increase in value by tomorrow. That means you could earn between $2 and $49 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, coin price forecast leads with a 93.3% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts combined, I've formed a unified projection. The shared outlook points to Uniswap landing close to $3.466. Let's look at the details. The consensus expectation is for a decrease of 1.6%. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 1.6%. On each $1,000 invested, the outcome might suggest roughly $16 in potential upside. Consensus figures indicate that the chance of this forecast being realized is about 87.4%. At this stage, let's examine the short-term 3-day predictions from analysts. A gain is anticipated by Crypto Predictions, who remains bullish. Coin price forecasts suggest that the near-term outlook points to balance, with prices holding steady. For the next few days, Coin Data Flow expects Uniswap to strengthen. Gov Capital Collector forecasts Uniswap moving lower. Similarly, digital coin price highlights building pressure to the downside. The consensus view highlights Uniswap hovering around its present value during the 3-day period. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates Uniswap may gain ground in the short term. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Now it's time for a quick review. As a result, the actual price settled around $3.542. Out of 5, only 2 analysts forecast the move correctly. The most correct forecast in numbers was from CoinLore. Time to sort through the results more carefully. The candle contained 3 forecasts yesterday. When it comes to ROI, every single forecast proved profitable. Here's the full overview with every analyst's performance side by side. In the data, Traders Union shows 90.2% forecast probability and 0.8% ROI. Look at the numbers. Can you guess who performed best? Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with Uniswap. Bitcoin Cash leads tomorrow's projections with 2%, while Uniswap remains further down the list. Here, Uniswap is shown next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability table is already featured on my website. If timing matters to you, make sure you're subscribed. Bye, folks.